Okay, so let's start. For the question number 7, the answer is 4. That diamonds of particular quality are available in 4 different sizes whose prices are given below. So its answer is 4 as per the answer key. For the question 8, a person invests a certain amount of money. Whenever the amount gets exactly doubled, he donates rupees 200. After 4 such donation, he is left with rupees 200. The initial amount of money he invested was in rupees. So its answer is 4, 200. For the question number 9, the answer is again 4. And for the question number 10, again the answer is 4. For the question number 11, the answer is 3. And for the question number 12, the answer is 3. For the question number 13, the answer is 1. And for the question number 14, the answer is 3. And for the question number 15, the answer is 4. And for the question number 16, the answer is 4 again. And for the question number 17, the answer is 4. Again it is 4. And for the question number 18, the answer is 3. So option is 3. And for the question number 19, the option is 1. And for question number 20, the answer is 2, 79. Okay, now the part B starts. For the question number 1, the answer is, first part is correct, that divergence or convergence at a given horizontal level leads to vertical velocity. And for the question number 2, the magnetic North Pole is currently migrating from Canada towards which of the region given below? The answer is Siberia. For question number 3, the answer is the option 3, the equivalent temperature. And for the question number 4, the answer is 3. And for the question number 5, the answer is 1, Thar Desert region. And for the question number 6, the answer is 3. For the question number 7, the answer is first, high cut filter. For the question number 8, the time interval between consecutive spring tide and neap tide is, so its answer is 4, 7 days. And for question number 9, its answer is 1, the atmospheric pressure. For question number 10, what is true for the disconformity? That a gap in the geological record when the strata below and above an erosional surface are horizontal. So its answer is 3 part. And for the question number 11, the answer is first. For question number 12, the answer is first. For question 13, the answer is 2, Garnet to perovskite as per answer key. And for the question number 14, the answer is second. And for question number 15, the answer is first. For question number 16, the answer is third, 40 million years. And for the question number 17, the answer is third, mean molar ratio of carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus in the organic matter is Redfield ratio. So this question was new, which I have seen for the CSIR net exam. For the question number 18, the answer is 4. Kaolinite does not have iron in its mineral structure. And for the question number 19, the answer is third, a threefold symmetry axis with mirror plane perpendicular to it it will be same as the 6 bar symmetry axis. Which one of the following fastest spreading ridge on earth? So its answer is third, East Pacific Ridge. For the question number 21, the answer is 4, Longshore Current and Swash. For question number 22, the answer is first, 7:690 ratio 3:3. And for question number 23, the answer is 4, capillary waves. And for the question number 24, the answer is third, at the eutectic point. The texture in a graphic granite can represent which of the following crystallization where albite and both silica binary system will exist at the eutectic point. So for the question number 25, the answer is third part, zonal location. For the question number 26, the season on earth occur because of, so it is very easy question, due to the tilt of earth axis rotation, the seasons usually occur in the earth. And what is the shape of earth? It is oblate spheroid. And for the question number 28, the answer is third part. For 29, the answer is second, Archean Proterozoic is the great oxidation event in the earth history. This period has great oxidation event. For the question number 30, the answer is rating curve. That river discharge is estimated on the basis of rating curve. For the question number 31, the answer is 4. For the question number 32, the answer is that the S shadow zone on the earth is nearly 4, it is 4 times the P shadow zone. So answer is 4. For 33, the answer is 4, the cold environment with little wave action. And for the 34, what is true for ocean? So this question has been asked many times in the CSIR NET exam about the abundance in the ocean for these elements. So HCO3 is greater than the CO3 2 negative, and CO3 2 negative is greater than the H2CO3. So 34 answer is one option. For the Rossby number is a ratio of, it is the ratio of inertial force to Coriolis force. So this question has also been asked many times. It is quite important. For the question number 36, the answer is first. And for the question number 37, Precambrian rocks are exposed in which of the following cities? So its answer is Delhi. 37, for the 37 answer is second, that Aravalli mobile belts are there. The earth magnetic field in the mantle, so it increases sharply with the depth. Okay, so 30, for the 38 answer is the second option. For the 39 question, this question is also very important. It has been asked in JAM, NET, GATE. So it is the very easy and important topic, that drainage system which maintain its direction. So it is antecedent drainage. For the question number 40, the answer is second. For the 41, the answer is third. You all know that quartz strength is as high as compared to other these elements which has been mentioned here. For the question number 42, its answer is three part. Sigma 1 is not equal to 0, sigma 2 is equal to 0, and sigma 3 equal to 0. For the 43, the concentration of trace gases by volume in lower troposphere in decreasing order is, so its answer is 4 part, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, nitrogen dioxide. For the 44 part, the cone of depression in groundwater forms in the fresh water of the fast pump flow well. So answer second. For the 45 question, which of the force inhibit the plate motion? So it is very general question. The basal drag will inhibit the plate motion, which is also called the gravitational drag. And the 46th question, which of the mineral exhibit maximum number of cleavage planes? So this sphalerite is the answer for the 46th question, which is 4 part. For the 47 question, the answer is the third part. For the 48 question, the answer is third part again. For the 49 question, the answer is third part again. In the Richter scale, what happened? As you move from one scale to another scale, there will be a 10 time decrease uh, in the effect of the earthquake which will happen over here, that the magnitude. So the answer for this question is the third one, that if you move from the 6 to 5, there is only one time increase, so it will be 10 times of B. So third will be the option. For the 50 question, the answer is northeast. So this was very general question, that if you can use the trick that if north is given for the one fold limb and another fold limb is given the east, so plunge will automatically in the direction of northeast. For the question 1, so now the part C starts, which is of 4 marks, which is huge marks to qualify this exam. For the question 1, the answer is the third part. For question 2, the answer is again third part, TST system. And for the question 3, the answer is the second part. You know what is sense of shear. So it is always parallel to the lineation, because lineation, they are linear structure, but foliation, for the foliation, the shear planes will always be perpendicular to it. So it is second. For the fourth one, paired metamorphic belt, which has both the character of high pressure, low temperature, low pressure, high temperature. So they are associated with the subduction zone, which are the convergent plate margins. Okay. So the fourth, for the answer for fourth is second one. Now the fifth one, you can remember the ages. There is no shortcut for this. You have to do it. So for the fifth one, the answer is second. For the sixth one, the depleted mantle model age of rock as calculated using SMND system is 2.5. It means that the isotopic ratio Nd upon 144 Nd neodymium in source of this rock at 2.5 giga nm were the same as in depleted mantle at that time. Okay. So answer is first one. For the seventh one, the answer is second. 42 meter, you have to solve it. I will make another video for these numericals. For the question 8, which are not polymorphs, so answer is the fourth one. For the ninth, the answer is second, that A is example of thermometer and B is example of the barometer. You will see this part in the metamorphic one. And for the question second, for question 10, which of the following texture will form during decompression stage? So it is a fact that corona texture will form at this decompression stages. For the 10, the answer is corona texture. Which one of the following statement is correct? So for the 11, the answer is 4 as per the answer key. I am not sure about it. I have to see this one. But as per answer key, the answer is 4 part. and where the porphyry type copper deposit form, so it is also a factual question that they are formed in the continental arc system. Okay, so very factual question has been asked this time. For the question 13, you can see my video of Tulim and palm structure if you have no idea about this. Okay, so for the 13, the answer is second one. For the question 14, the answer is 4-part floatstone. Sorry, for the 14, the answer is first one, packstone, not floatstone. For 15, the answer is second. For 16, the answer is third one. That from high temperature to as you move from the high temperature, at high temperature what will form? The olivine. So if olivine, so this is basically the Bowen reaction series minerals have been written over here. As you are moving from high temperature to low temperature, at low temperature you will get a muscovite as well as the quartz. So the option third is correct. The first one is olivine and third one is the muscovite. Okay. So for the 16, the answer is third one. I hope you understand this one. For the 17, the answer is third. So this is the gravity profile across a vein, sulfide vein. So maximum anomaly occur at O. Then the vein dips due. Answer is, so for the 17, answer is third. East and its top light toward west of O. For the question number 18, the answer is third one, is equal to 2.5 mu. For the 19, the answer is first. For the 20, the answer is third one. For 21, the answer is second, low resistivity and low density. For 22, the answer is first one, sine omega. For 23, the answer is third one. For 24, the answer is fourth option. I will make another video for these numericals which has been asked. This is also a numerical on geophysics. For 25, the answer is fourth one and an error function. For 26, the answer is second one, 100 meter. For 27, the answer is third one. This is also from geophysics. For 28, the answer is first. This is also a geophysics question. For 29, the answer is third part. It is also a geophysics question. For 30, the answer is first, 1.73 kilometer. This is also a geophysics question. For 31, the answer is third, 618. Again, question from the potential electrodes. For the question number 32, the answer is second, receiver arrays are used to suppress ground roll. For question 33, as I have told earlier, the coarse grain sizes are shown at the bottom and they are fining as you move up. So it is showing fining upward and poorly sorted. So answer for 33 is third one. Okay, so now for the question number 34, the answer is second one, that both A and R are true and R is not a correct option. For the question number 35, acid rain is not associated with, so obviously it is not associated with the increasing BOD in lake. It will definitely suppress it, not increase it. For the question number 39, 36, the answer is third part. You have to match the following. The answer is third. For A it is K, for B it is Z, for C it is X, and for D it is Y. So third part. For 37, the answer is third. Strand lines, raised beaches and marine terraces. For the 38, the answer is fourth part, that A is true but A is false but B is true. For 38, answer is fourth part. For 39, the answer is second. Sediment transport rate and water discharge. For the 40, the answer is third one. It is related to the landforms. So if you have studied the geomorphic landforms, then this question will be very easier for you. For the 40, the answer is third part. For the 41, the answer is second part. What are plateau, mesa, butte? So these are flat lying rocks in arid region. Okay, we get these landform in arid environment. And for the 42, again the question from the landform. This time the question has been asked mostly from the geomorphic landforms. So 42, the answer is first one. For the 43, the answer is third. Low per capita income, malnutrition, high morbidity and high mortality. For the 44, the answer is fourth one. Common symbols are given. You have to match they belong to which type of environment or climate. Sorry, not environment. For the question number 45, the answer is second. For question number 46, the answer is first, 0.18. For question number 47, the answer is second. For question number 48, the answer is third. For 49, the answer is fourth, that A is false but B is true. For 50, the answer is third, that vertical motion is absent. For 51, the answer is second, A, B, C, they are true. For 52, the answer is third, high cation exchange capacity is most likely to be in soil which have the high in clay and organic matter content. For 53, the answer is 4. Coriolis force varies linearly with latitude. This is fact, that it does not vary linearly with latitude. 54, the answer is second one. For 55, the answer is fourth one. Warm air mass overtake the cold air mass. For 56, the answer is fourth one. A, B, C, D, all are true. For 57, the answer is advection as well as the convection. For first one. For 57, the answer is first one. For 58, the answer is second one, relative humidity. For 59, the answer is third one, Coriolis, pressure gradient and friction forces. For 60, the answer is second one. For 61, the answer is first one. For 62, the answer is second, A, B and D option. For 63, the answer is fourth part. Resistance time of molybdenum is less than 1000 years in the ocean. For 64, the answer is first one. Statement A is true and statement B is not true. For 65, the answer is first one. For 66, the answer is first one again. For 67, The answer is third one. Primary productivity lead as well as iron graph has been plotted here with depth in the ocean. For 68, the answer is fourth one, 40.6 degrees Celsius. For 69, the answer is fourth one again, oxygen, nitrate and sulfate. For 70, the answer is second one. For 71, for the 71, the answer is third one. For 72, the answer is 4. For 73, the answer is first. Both statements are true and B is not a correct explanation of A. For the 74, the answer is fourth one. For 75, the answer is second. A graph is for the sunlight, B1 for the phytoplankton, C for the nutrient and D for the zooplankton. For 76, the answer is third one. For 77, the answer is first one. For 78, the answer is first one again, that it increases the relative vorticity. It increases from high latitude to low. For the 79, the answer is second one. And for the 80, the answer is first one. So we have discussed the CSIR NET 2020 जियोलॉजी क्वेश्चन पेपर आंसर की, और इसको करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत लगी बिकॉज पहले मैंने वहाँ से आंसर की देखी, उसके बाद इसमें आपको वीडियो बना के दिखाई है. सो प्लीज़ इसको अपने दोस्तों में भी शेयर करना बिकॉज उनको भी बहुत ज़रूरत होगी इसकी. तो हमें क्या करना है, एक दूसरे की हेल्प करना है, ना कि चीज़ें अपने तक रखनी है. ओके, सो इसको अपने दोस्तों तक शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और लाइक करना और कमेंट करना. जो भी आपको टॉपिक समझना हो या कुछ भी, तो आप मुझे मेल भी कर सकते हो, आप कमेंट भी कर सकते हो. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द गेट एग्जाम एज वेल.
Do like, share and subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon